you ever filmed with your iPhone? Went to upload the video, turns out teeny weeny eeny peeny. You don't want no short video. Show you how to resize it and make it grow. Oh. My channel is not about this stuff. If you own an automobile, I might be the guy for you if you like to learn and laugh. Not only know how to do things while you're doing them. Check this shit out. Click on movie, add the film, size it to the proper size. Then I click the magnifying glass, and then I shrink it down to where it's smaller. And longer. Oh, Lord. Definitely not what she said. Press done. I save the video. And if I uploaded that video, it's going to turn out really small, like that. We don't want that. Go over to photos. I click on that video, press edit, and I click right down there, draw it in like this, press done. Go over to click on the video that I want to upload. My video turns out like that. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first of you. No matter what it is in life you think you can or cannot do, if anyone else can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have the best of days.